Did you know that Halloween originated in Ireland? My dad loved Halloween. I mean, on Halloween, he decorated the whole house. He just loved, like I do. I love Halloween. It's like my favorite time of the year. We have on our tower, we have a witch, and I have a ghost in the window, and a bat, and a skeleton. But I don't like it really scary. I like it fun. And I got a black sweatshirt because I want this to pop.
We're done, and I feel I stand out in this pumpkin sweatshirt, don't you? I mean, it really, really pops.
So bring it to a party and have some fun. Hi, and welcome again to Annie's Ankle and Annie's Craft Corner. Can you guess what I am? Of course you can. I am a fortune teller, ready to tell your fortune. No, really, as a kid, I had a fortune little hat, and I had a crystal ball, and I loved telling kids their fortune. It was so much fun. I really enjoyed it, and they believed me too, which was fun. So today, grab a cup of coffee. I'll tell you where Halloween originated. Did you know that Halloween originated in Ireland? Yeah, my dad loved Halloween. I mean, on Halloween, he decorated the whole house. He just loved. Everything came out and he decorated. He just loved Halloween, and like I do. I love Halloween. It's like my favorite time of the year. We have on our tower, we have a witch, and I have a ghost in the window, and a bat, and a skeleton. But I don't like it really scary. I like it fun. I like a fun Halloween thing, and that's what I'm going to do for you. You know, we're going to make a sweatshirt today, and I got a black sweatshirt because I want this to pop. So I got a black sweatshirt. I got this in Amazon. It was $8. Can you believe that? And I got this in the dollar store, and I cut it a little bit, so it could be like that. And I got these a long time ago. I think I got these in Michael's. And my Ryobi gun, I got this at Home Depot. So this is what we're going to do today. You know, it could be your creation. You might want to say, hey, you know what, I want a skeleton. That's what I want. I'm going to make a Halloween sweatshirt with skeletons. It could be whatever you decide to make. And that's the fun of it, that we can create what we like, right? So that's what we're going to do. But, yeah, so Halloween originated in Ireland, and it's carried on to America, and people really, really like Halloween. People decorate their houses and lawns, and sometimes it gets bigger every year, and it's so much fun to just decorate and see everything. It's just, I really have a good time. In fact, I keep Halloween up till beginning of December, and when I taught exercise classes here, people would say, Anne, put on a hat, Santa hat on your witch, because I kept it up so long. I just loved it. So this is the kind of things that I like to do. Tell fortunes, have Halloween. It's just so much fun. So come on into my craft corner and let's make a Halloween sweatshirt I think you're going to like and enjoy it with me. So I have my glue gun here, and I'm going to put the glue all over this. Wow, it takes glue so fast. Just keep spreading it around. Probably on the ends too. I have competition talking because I have crickets in my house. I don't know if you hear them, but they're all over. Okay, let's put this back. Okay, and let's just place this right, I'd say there. And press it down, and you can lift it up and just add whatever you wanted, which I'm going to do. I'm going to continue to do. And also I'm going to put a little pumpkin on the sleeve. So let's try that. as well. Wow, this glue goes really fast. And press that down. And then on the other sleeve, I think I'll put another pumpkin. Let's see. Yes. This is what I kind of wanted to create. Maybe next time I do, we'll do something else. But this is what I want this time. And press that down. Ooh, that's hot. And I'm going to keep doing that. Put some more under there. And we're going to come back and wear this pretty sweatshirt. What do you think? I'm going to put more glue on there and keep gluing it. And we'll come back and try it on and see if you like it. I think you will.
So, we're done. And I feel I stand out in this pumpkin sweatshirt, don't you? I mean, it really, really pops. I really like it. I put extra pumpkins here. I really like that. You know, my grandparents came from County Cork, Ireland, and they were into Halloween, and my dad, they passed it to my dad and me. We just love Halloween. Do you like Halloween? It's just a great holiday. It's really fun, especially getting candy. I do love candy. I like twits. So, and this is from my garden, speaking of pumpkins. This pumpkin, we're going to make pumpkin seeds tonight, and then I'm going to cut it in half and bake the rest of it, because pumpkins are so healthy for you. I'm going to do a video on my pumpkin garden. This is the first year we did pumpkins, and they're doing really well. In fact, they've grown outside the garden, and they're spreading like crazy, and I'm just letting them go. I just love it. So, like this video, subscribe to my channel. For those of you who have subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Also, I like your comments. People have commented on different things, and I like that because sometimes it really, really helps me when you comment. I'm like, you know, that's a good idea. I think I'm going to do that. I'll incorporate that into my videos because it's helpful. I don't see what you see, and I'm like, you know, that's a good idea. And I like that. So keep commenting on my videos. I really appreciate it. And also, I have crickets in the house. I don't know if you hear them, but I'm in a competition with crickets today. You know, they're just, I don't even know where they come in from, but they do. Do you hear it? They're so loud. They're so little, but so loud. So anyway, come again. We'll be cooking up a storm. I love to cook. I love fashion. I'm a fitness instructor. I like building muscle, although I'm not muscular. I'm strong, but not muscular. No matter what I do, I never become muscular. And so come again, and a happy Halloween to you. Have a real nice Halloween. Have a nice day. Bye-bye for now.